How to enable or disable Google Keyboard pop-up on Keypress on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on General Management. After click on General Management, you will see click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, you will see second option is Preference. Click on Preference. After click on Preference, so if you want to enable or disable pop-up on KeyPass. So here showing you pop-up KeyPass. If you want to enable pop-up KeyPass, so turn on this button. After turn on pop-up KeyPass, you will see KeyPass is enabled. If you want to disable pop-up KeyPass, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see pop-up KeyPass is disabled. You will enable or disable pop-up KeyPass from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Google KeyPass, Google Keyboard pop-up on KeyPass on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.